Have you ever wondered what it feels like to be James Bond?
6, but I'm losing.
Well, I recommend you give Baccarat a shot and find out. Hey Internet, it's your old friend Dominic here with AmericanCasinoGuide.com. Before we get into today's video, make sure to slam that big red subscribe button and shoot that like button while you're at it. So now that you're subscribed, let's get this rodeo rolling. So Baccarat is a sophisticated 2-card game that puts the player against the banker. The player refers to you and any other player sitting around the table, while the banker is represented by a dealer, a representative of the casino. The main objective of the game is getting cards that value as close to 9 as possible. And overall, it is similar to Blackjack, but comes with an extra fun little twist. So, like most card games, it's played with a standard 52-card deck, where all face cards, your jacks, your queens, your kings, and even your tens, have an overall value of 0 points. Now, aces are worth 1 point, and all other remaining cards in the deck remain with their face values.
8.
8 à la pomme.
9.
9 à la pomme.
Now, let's move on to your betting options. In Baccarat, standard bets can be placed on the banker winning, the player winning, or the result being a tie. And it's important to keep in mind that it's mandatory to make a wager on one of these 3 options. But on top of that, you are free to wager on side bets, things like player pair or banker pair. These side bets are pretty self-explanatory, but basically it's when a player or a banker is dealt 2 cards of the same rank, for example, 2 5s. Now, since Baccarat comes in many variations, be sure to check the rules and the different side bets for each one of them out there. There are really a lot of them.
How many of them are there? Hundreds.
Psst, psst. Hey, do you want a place without any Bond villains where you can play Baccarat safely online? Then head over to our website, AmericanCasinoGuide.com. The link is down below. So with all that out of the way, let's break down some Baccarat hands. Now, the goal of the game, as stated earlier, is to get as close to 9 with your 2 initial cards as possible. So if either you or the dealer scores an 8 or 9 with your first 2 cards, it's called a natural. If both score a natural, it's known as a natural tie. And just to be clear, a natural 9 beats a natural 8.
The kid's a natural.
Now, you might ask, what happens when your first 2 cards don't score an 8 or 9? Well, if you score a 0 to 5, you must draw a 3rd card. Now, if you get a 6 or anything higher, your only option is to stand. So, what do you do if you have more than 9? Well, you'll have to drop the first tens digit of the sum. So for example, if you have a 5 and 7, normally the total would be 12, but in this case, you drop the 10 and you're left with a score of 2.
I don't do numbers.
If math isn't really your thing, don't worry, because the dealer is going to be doing all the counting for you, and they can always tell you what your current score is. So now let's play 2 hands so you can see how a round actually works, okay? In this first hand, the banker receives a king and a 9, with the player receiving a 4 and 7. Combined total of 11, taking away the tens place, they're left with a 1. Here, the banker automatically wins because they scored the highest value possible. It's a Baccarat. Here's another example. The banker here has a 3 and a 3, resulting in a 6. The player has a 3 and a 2, resulting in a 5. The banker's only option here is to stand, as they have a 6, while the player will be dealt an additional card on the 5. The 3rd card is a 4, resulting in a 9. The player wins. Happy days are here again.
The odds favor standing pat.
If you play the odds.
Now, if you had wagered a side bet on banker pairs, you win as well because the banker had a pair of 3s. If you're a beginner to Baccarat, check out these basic tables explaining the betting rules. We have more of them on our website. The link is down below. So guys, fancy playing Bond for a day and enjoying some juicy Baccarat action? Let us know in that comment section down below. Leave us a like and ring-a-ding-ding that notification bell. This has been Dominic, wishing you luck and reminding you as always, play responsibly.